Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid technique full guide. Start by choosing a reference image and draw a proportional grid over it. Then draw a matching grid on your canvas or paper, label rows and columns, transfer major shapes square by square, refine outlines, and adjust values for shading. Block in midtones before dark accents, step back frequently to compare sections, and use light pencil to correct proportions. A good grid starts with measuring the reference and your support, then dividing both into matching squares or rectangles, keeping aspect ratio consistent. Use a ruler for accuracy, label axes to avoid confusion, and mark key intersections. Work from large shapes down to details, check proportions often, and use light lines you can erase later to refine and clean up the drawing. Take photos to compare and zoom in digitally for tricky areas. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Also, the product seen here is bento box. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, a handy studio snack solution that keeps things tidy between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick what fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. When transferring details square by square, focus on major intersections first, then map secondary shapes and negative spaces. Use consistent pencil pressure, measure widths within squares, and keep checking overall alignment. For shading, note value changes per square and blend gradually, preserving edges where needed. Pause to step back, rotate the piece if helpful, and correct any shifted proportions before committing ink or heavy paint. Take frequent photos to compare with the reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.